Mhm. Good day. Today I talk about the island of San Andres. And this island is more beautiful. Uh, is you can visit um, for the sea. See this island. This island have many places. mm, like a Yoniki is a place like an aquarium where you can interactive with some fish, and in the island you can play football without shoes. mm, eh, in this place in the evening you can stay in the beach, and this is a place more touristic, and this place have beautiful beautiful places, and you can stay sleeping in the hotel or in the beach. And you can surf, you can you can uh, ski, you can rent uh, a bike for the drive in the island. Mm, this island, and the people of this island, the residents, is more friendly, and these people can help you in any moment. Mm, the food, the typical food is the fish and rice with coconut, and the rest of we our food. The rest is the more food. Mm, and this this place is more important for our country, for the tourism, and you can stay in this place for small in this place pay uh, 800 mm, for the stay 3 days and 2 nights. Thank you.